Walking down the avenue, hold and take, I meant for two. I could eat it all myself.
Konnichiwa. Today it's gonna be a tough day because I have a 7-color design that I have to bring to life. And I already have a problem. I don't have enough screens to complete that order. Either way, I gotta get to work because I gotta clean some screens, which is the sucky part of screen printing.
No, I just can't fight the feelings anymore. And I don't want to call it.
It's been a while since I have done any type of upgrade to the shop, and I gotta fix this door. Has to be one of those upgrades. I mean, it's still good. It's not like an important thing, but it should be an upgrade. All right, let's go wash these screens real quick. Usually I clean around 10 to 12 screens at a time, but right now since I'm running behind on this order and I want to get it done today, I'm only going to do 6. Either way, this makes the most sense right now. Even though when you clean more at a time, it saves a lot of time. You get your time's worth, if that makes any sense. Cleaning your screen is a very important thing about screen printing because this is where everything starts. If you don't clean your screens properly, you will have problems. To speed up the process, I let my screen sit in front of a fan for a good 30 minutes to an hour. But there's no time wasted. While my screens are drying, I'm still working. I'm prepping my artwork, double checking my artwork, printing my transparency films. I'm also getting the colors and Pantone numbers of the inks that I'm gonna be using. The goal is to stay busy because time does fly. After my screens are dry, boom, right away. I wait no second. I quote them with emotion. This helps me avoid pinholes, dust, dirt, debris. I give my screens 2 good passes in the back and 1 in the front. After that, I scrape the front and the back so everything could be nice and flush. And once again, I let them sit in front of a fan for a full hour, not a second more or less. To speed up the process, of course. But for the meanwhile, I'm gonna start prepping my t-shirts. After that, if I have some time, I'll start cleaning my press and start getting my inks ready. Ooh. This box came super broken. Just look how beat up it came. Probably not gonna reuse this box again. So I'm gonna have to give them my own box. So the customers provided these t-shirts. So the first thing that I do when I get product that I'm not used to, that I don't usually work with, I go to the tag just to see what type of material I'm working with. These feel polyester, but they're 100% cotton, which will work great with my ink. So now I know what type of inks I gotta use so my prints won't fade, crack, or even peeled off when washing. All right, this took a lot longer than I expected, but we got it done, which is a good thing. So there's 2 things. He's doing the left chest print and a back print, but he wants the left chest print to be 5.5 inches from the bottom collar. Normally, I would do a left chest print 4 fingers, being between 3 and 2.5 inches. But he wants 5.5 inches. So it's gonna be pretty low. Then he wants the back print to be 6 inches from the bottom of the collar. So I left the water running and it overflowed. This thing was like all the way up here, man. That's crazy. Oh man, that sucks.
You got it. You got it. You got it. I know sometimes life can be tough. And you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong.
Looks like we're ready to rock and roll. We're gonna start with the easiest one. Just to double check, make sure it's 5.5 inches. Make sure these are tight. Alright, let's turn this on. Let's move this out the way. Let's add a squeegee right here. Add some ink right here. I think these are oversized t-shirts. That's why he's doing the left chest print a little bit low, which is pretty awesome, not gonna lie. Alright, before we start production, let's do a small test run just to see how everything is gonna come out. Let's preheat it. Alright. We're gonna push the ink. Alright, looks good. It looks good so far. We'll see right now. We gotta flash that ink so we can give it another second layer of ink so the color could be nice and vibrant. Nice and shiny. Smooth and slow pass. Sheesh. Let's cure it. Let's cure that ink. Ink should reach 320 for like 10 seconds. Oof, nice. Our first test print is right on the money.
Driving through the New York rain, roll down my window and let the rain in. You call me by my name, too late to turn home. We chased the night away.
This was pretty easy. The hard part comes now. But I'm gonna go take a small break because I'm sweating like a pig. All right, we're back and we're gonna start lining these up already. 3, 4, we got 6 inches right here. I forgot, I gotta clean this one first. All right, we're gonna start with the base. The last one. So I'm gonna use white twice. I made a light purple, light blue. I got gold already. I just gotta mix a coral and a dark salmon. A lot of times I just look at a color and I'll mix it. If I don't know how to mix a color or I can't come up with the color exactly, then I'll go to Screen Print Direct. They have a mixing system that guides you like that. That will tell you to use 2 grams of this ink, 2 grams of this ink, 3 grams of this ink, and just mix it and boom, you'll get the color you're looking for. All right, now we're gonna do a test run just to see if my registration was good and if my colors are good. If not, then I'm gonna have to readjust things little by little. Registration, it's pretty tight. We'll see right now how it looks. I'm gonna call it a day for today, guys. I'm kind of tired and I gotta go cut the grass. So we'll be back tomorrow. Look at all those chickens. Skeleton. Good morning or afternoonish. It's around like 12 p.m. Anyways, I had a lot of trouble with the print yesterday and today. My colors were a little off, so I had to stop recording and focus on the print. I honestly did around like 20 test prints, but it looks like we're back on track. So I took a picture of the print and sent it to my customer. A couple minutes later, he said, "It is perfect. It looks great. Looks like we got the green light to start printing." But before we do any printing, I want to say thanks to Screen Print Direct for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know, I've been using their equipment and material for the past 5 years, so they are Milo proof, if that means anything. The top 3 things that I use from them are my chemicals to clean my screens, and the inks. Those 3 things you will always see here in my shop. Now, with the code myloprints, you'll get a 15% discount. I'm gonna add the link in the bio. Once again, thank you Screen Print Direct for sponsoring this video. Now let's get to printing. Now these type of designs are not as easy as they look. First, because we converted a 12 color design into only 6 colors. Second, sometimes working with a material you're not used to can change the way your ink is gonna look. I'm gonna give you an example. Both of these are cotton t-shirts, but this one, the ink penetrates through the t-shirt, it blends with the t-shirt, and this one, the ink lays on top of the t-shirt. But we are professionals, and our experience is always gonna help us to find a solution. If you guys wanna learn how to screen print like this, I'm gonna add 2 videos here that is gonna guide you on the right direction. Now, I gotta get back to work because I gotta finish this order and I gotta ship it out today. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you guys all. God bless you guys all. Make sure to subscribe and like the channel, like the video, the channel, whatever you guys wanna do. It will support me and to grow this channel.